Friends, this is BPL LED TV power supply. Okay, this TV is stopped by high voltage in the line. Okay, let's check the board what it is the complaint. Okay, this is the power socket. This is power socket. Okay, let's check from this side. Okay, the meter is kept to the continuity position. We must check the cold testing method. Okay, this is phase and neutral. There is no connection. Continuity, there is no continuity. Okay, here the line is jumped here, and here is a fuse. Okay, I keep this prod here only. Okay, see, here also we can't get the continuity. See here, this continuity is not shown. Okay, this continuity is not shown in the circuit. When the continuity is shown, the circuit have the resistance. We can given the supply to this board, the fuse is blown off. Now it is fuse is blown off. Okay, let's check the what is the complaint in this circuit. Let's see whether we can see any blasted in the spare parts. Let's checking. No, there is not shown anything. Okay, let's move to next step. Okay, here is the NTC is there. Okay, this is the coil. Okay, here also shown continuity. Okay, let's go to next stage. Okay, here these two lines are coming here. This is 4 connections or bridge rectification. We given the AC supply here, we getting the positive and negative of the DC supply. Okay, we can't get the continuity here. This continuity is not coming from the not shown because it is shorted. Okay, the plus minus connection is also shorted here. Okay, let's open the bridge rectifier, then we check. what about the condition of the power supply? Okay, let's take the desoldering wick, desoldering pump. Okay, open this bridge rectifier. Okay, I open this bridge rectifier. Let's see. Now the circuit is showing anything to check it. Okay, here the AC connection input. Okay, there is no continuity. Okay, and this is the plus minus connection. It is shown full continuity, and also it is shown full continuity. The circuit is also in the complaint stage. Okay, let's check the rectifier whether it is short or not. See, this is AC section. Okay, there is no continuity. There is no continuity, and plus minus. Okay, there is no continuity. Yes, it is showing continuity. The DC supply is showing in the one direction. It is good. Okay, let's go to next stage. This is AC. Okay, this is DC. Okay, now we go to capacitor. Capacitor is here. Okay, it is also showing. Okay, it is showing. The capacitor, I think it is not shorted. Hmm? These MOSFETs, I think it is shorted. Okay, let's open and check it. See here, it is showing drain and source. This also shown. This is diode. Two leg is there. That is diode. These two MOSFETs are showing continuity. This is diode. These diodes is also shown full continuity. Okay, let's check. These two MOSFETs and diodes is to be open. This is hot section. Hot section means the power supply high voltage section. This is regulated section. This is cold section. Here we have the 12 volts higher voltage. And in this section we have a DC 250 volt. It is get a shock. That's why we say it is hot section. This is cold section, we can't get any shock here. We open the MOSFET transistors. This is in continuity section. Continuity, the drain and source. There is no short. Okay. There is no short. Okay. This diode point. There is no short. Okay. Let's check the diodes and MOSFETs. See here. This is to drain and source. This is short. Okay, this is short. This is also short. Set there is 0. I think control is okay. Okay, this MOSFET is showing good. ಏನು this is good. This diode, this is also short. Okay, let's change the two MOSFET and the diode. Okay, see, we put this diode and this MOSFET. Now it is not showing continuity. Okay, now it is good. It is showing good condition. Now we place the fuse. This is 10 amps fuse. Okay, let's put 10 amps. Okay. Now we put the power supply. Okay. Now we can put this supply in the series position, series connection. Okay. I put the meter in voltage range. Here is showing C. Now it is showing 12 volt supply. Okay. Okay. Now it is correct. We can put the board to the motherboard, and this motherboard is in customer house. I put there. Now the power supply is, now it is good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you once again. We discharge the capacitor. Thank you very much.